How to stop Instagram from cropping photos. Instagram allows you to upload landscape photos without any issues, but when posting vertical portrait photos, parts of your image may get cropped. There is a simple way to fix this using a free mobile app called InShot. First, open the App Store on your phone and search for InShot. Download and install the app. Once installed, open it. On the home screen, tap on Photo under the Create New section. Select the image you want to post on Instagram. The app will automatically place your photo inside a square canvas. If you are happy with this format, tap the Download button in the upper right corner to save it to your camera roll. Your image is now ready to upload to Instagram without any cropping. If you prefer a slightly different format with smaller borders on the sides, there is another option. After selecting your photo in InShot, tap on the Canvas button in the lower left corner. You will see different aspect ratio options. Choose the 4:5 vertical aspect ratio, which is specifically designed for Instagram. Tap the checkmark to confirm your selection, then tap the Download button to save the adjusted image to your phone. Now, when you upload this photo to Instagram, it will fit perfectly without being cropped. Both the square and 4:5 aspect ratios prevent Instagram from cropping your image. You can choose whichever one you prefer. That's how to stop Instagram from cropping photos.